Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, gather your new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. It's important to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off before you begin any work to ensure safety and prevent any electrical issues. This simple replacement can greatly improve your air quality. Now that your glove box is empty, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Once it's lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular plastic cover that's easy to spot. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic. With the housing exposed, unclip the two retaining clips on the cover and remove it. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Carefully slide out the old filter, then insert your new one, making sure the airflow arrow matches the direction you noted. To finish up, simply reverse the steps to reattach your glove box. Lift it back into place, ensuring the stops engage correctly, and then close it firmly until it latches. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, helps maintain optimal air quality inside your vehicle. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle mentioned, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.